All right, target number 5, given the following, write a 3D equation using integers in only simplest standard form. So can you write the equation now? So now we're giving you the intercepts, you come up with the equation. This is the opposite of what we were just doing. Moments ago, we were doing that target 3 where you had to find the intercepts in order to be able to graph it. So I had to find these. Well, now that I know these, I could work backwards. So what you need to do, the skill you're learning, is if I know the intercepts hit at 3, 5, and 6, I'm essentially looking for what's the least common multiple. You called that LCM in middle school when you learned about it, and you used to write out lists of numbers. You'd write out 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on until it hit the number 5, 10, 15, 20 until it hit the same number, 6, 12, all that kind of stuff. Well, if I look at 6 times 5 is 30, then this would also hit at 30. They all won't hit at 15, so 30 is the number. The first thing you do is you figure out what the equation equals. If you figure out what it equals, you're in good shape. And then as soon as you know that, you go, oh, 3 would go into 30 10 times, so the 10x had to be the first part of the equation. 5 goes in there 6 times, so you'd have to have 6y, and then 6 times 5, so this would have to be 5z, and boom, there's your equation. Because now if you worked in reverse, those are the answers that you get. 30 divided by 10 is 3, 30 divided by 6 is 5, 30 divided by 5 is 6. This visual one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. So I have 2's and 4's. Well, where do 2's and 4's meet? That would be called 4. And then if you know that it's 4, then all you got to do is go, oh, 4 divided by 4 is 1x plus 1y plus 2z would make the equation work correctly. Now, you might get into situations where, oops, it doesn't have anything. Well, big deal. You still look at these, where would these meet? Well, 4 times negative 1 is going to be negative 4. And then the z-intercept is you're just not going to have anything there. So if I take 4 divided by negative 4, I get negative 1. So that's negative 1y or negative y. And then this would be plus z, plus 4z. So this needs to be a 4. And then this needs to be a z. Because negative 1 divided by negative 4 divided by negative 1, excuse me, then it would be 4z right there. Sorry about that. And then you've got that idea. So big deal. You leave a variable out, not that big of a deal. And then you look here, do the same kind of thing, and you should be in good shape.